Hi, today we are going to represent our fourth project of aesthetic computing under the supervision of Dr. Paul Fishwick. Goal of this project is to educate people about control flow graph, which is a dynamic flow model. Our target users are 6th grade student and non-CS majors. To avoid complexity, we have created a simple program here. You can see that a few number of sequential logics and a few number of control statements are there, which are the if else statements and the for loop. Here you can see that we are choosing two values, p equal to 1 and p equal to 4. These values will be useful in our next step, next level, which is a game basically. And in the red path we are actually showing the actual path of execution, and with the black these portions will not be executed. And we have in our game actually we have blocked the black segments with the stones here, which are the impenetrable. Now coming to moving towards the game, which is a pretty, yeah, I think that it is a pretty heavy game. And p equal to 1, here I am executing p equal to 1. Now we have used the random hairs here and there and a grassland through which you can see that there is a stone here which is actually blocked for p equal to 4. That means the execution statements involving p equal to 4 will not be executed. The same here, we are seeing that p less than equal to 3, which is no, which is actually yes, and nothing is blocked here. So we are directed towards the yes segments here, and we are executing the statements which are actually shown in the mat, p equal to p into 3. And here are the again grasslands are there, so you can have the grasslands here and there. And then we are executing our loop 1, which is actually represented by a loop counter, which is the loop equal to 1 to 3 inclusive of 3, of course. Here that means we are executing our same program statements 3 times, and the hairs are here and there also, and we are executing our first loop. It is a big loop here, you can see that. And with the first loop we are using that p equal to p plus 2, which is getting executed for the first time. And now we are trying to enter into the second loop portion. That means essentially means that loop equal to counter equal to 2, which is incremented from 1 to 2 here. And it is now slowly moving towards the p equal to 2 thing. And yeah, now it is going towards the loop 2 segment here. You can hear the music, which is basically a forest sound here. We have embedded it and it is actually varying. We have also added the splash so that the sound effect is much more pleasing here. Now I guess our loop 2, for loop 2 again it is executed with p equal to p plus 2, another value. Now we are going to enter into the loop 3 section. One interesting matter is we need to terminate the loop here, and we are representing our loop through a spiral. And when we are breaking the loop, it is going actually in another program execution point, which is represented actually the water splash things here. You can see that it is almost completed the loop section, which is p equal to p plus 2, and now it is time for the breaking of the loop. See, it is jumped from the loop to another place and it is swimming actually. Once again you are seeing that p greater than 8 is not, and it is blocked here, and p equal to 8 is getting executed once again, and as our program suggests that p equal to 10 is finally assigned here. And you can see that we have successfully terminated our program from here. Now we are presenting another thing, which is actually, you can say, with the different values it is getting actually loaded. For the time being it is loaded with the another value, and we are trying to execute it. And once again you can see that p equal to 4 here. Now p equal to 1 is blocked here, and in this way you can see that all the programs can be executed. The path is pretty much similar, only the blocks are represented so that the user cannot move to any other places. So in this manner we can have all the program execution with the help of a control flow graph, which is represented in our program as a garden. I think that all you have enjoyed this program. Thanks a lot everybody. Bye bye.